Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Cloudflare DNS plus proxy security alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Cloudflare DNS, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in cloudflare.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will need to enter your email address and create a strong password. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Cloudflare. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Return to the Cloudflare website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the Add a Site button to start adding your domain. Enter your website's domain name in the provided field and click Add Site. Select the plan that suits your needs. The free plan is a good starting point. Click on Confirm Plan to move. Now, Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records to ensure they are correct. Adjust the records as necessary, then proceed by clicking Continue. Next, Cloudflare will provide you with name servers. Make a note of these name servers, as you will need to update them at your domain registrar. Log in to your registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Replace your current name servers with the name servers provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes and return to the Cloudflare dashboard. It may take some time for DNS changes to propagate. Once the status shows active, your site is now using Cloudflare DNS. To enable proxy security alerts, navigate to the Firewall tab in the dashboard. Look for the Firewall Rules section and click on Manage Firewall Rules. Here, click on the Create a Firewall Rule button. Set up the rule according to your security needs and click Save. To enable notifications for security alerts, go to the Notifications tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.